Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make a paper plane. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper, fold it into two equal halves and press it well. Now form a triangle from one corner. Now according to the creases, fold a triangular shape from the bottom. Now from the other side, repeat the step and press it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may visit our channel to have the glance of more origami tutorials like this. You may share this video with your friends, family members and relatives. Don't forget to press the bell icon to remain updated. Now, form a leaf type structure from the center and press it. Then from the bottom, fold it like this from one side and then the other. Forming the shape of the plane, give its wings a sharp shape. And it's done. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.